Just under 7 pounds. We're out here in heavy winds. This fish was out in almost 40 feet of water. She is a tank. Migratory fishing. We got backed off fish from all the fronts. And she is an absolute beauty. Just under 7. Gonna get her back pretty quick. We've had her out for still shots. We're getting fish in close and out deep on migratory routes. We've only been out here 2.5 hours. We had heavy winds when we came out. Right now we're back up on shore. We're gonna get her back in. Look at the belly on her. 6 3/4 pounds, just under 7. Beautiful.